What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to show you guys a quick, cheap, easy 4Runner modification for the first gen 4Runners. These removable tops have a ton of interior plastic panels that cover up the bolts that hold them down. Anyone who's had any of these and drives them knows that these panels, when you're driving, they just make a ton of noise, the plastic on plastic. So the modification that I do is you can buy this high density foam. And what I do is I put it in here. I'll pull one of these off to show you guys where I put it, just to anywhere that it touches plastic. And this will be the difference for you. I don't know if it'll pick it up on the camera, but this is the sound. So that side has the high density foam placed in it, and this side does not yet. So you can definitely hear the difference in that, at least in person. I'm hoping the camera picks it up. I'll pull one of these panels off to show you guys exactly where I'm placing it to make the difference. But it is a pretty cheap. I think I paid around $9 for this. It is waterproof, high density, so it does have the real thick. You got to push kind of hard to make it collapse. I do recommend the high density and not the real airy, thin stuff. So again, here's the difference in the sound. So here's a visual of where I'm putting the foam all along the bottom edge. This is the L trim that goes up towards the front right in here. Also put a couple on these bottom pieces where it touches. And then this piece right here around the corners, all the way down. And then here, here, and here. And then the last one I do where these two pieces overlap, I put a piece right there. I've owned a ton of these, and I do drive some of them, constantly. So it's just something that makes the ride a lot nicer. Again, these are for that trims that hold down the top. I also end up putting it in these panels as well, because they rattle as well. Just in along the edge. And it really makes a world of difference. Much nicer drive, just quiet. So I'm going to wrap the video here, guys. This cheap, easy modification definitely makes the first gen 4Runner a lot more enjoyable to drive, just to quiet it down. I will be having a full video coming up of this particular 84 Toyota 4Runner restoration I've been working on. Just buttoning up a few things, but it is about 90% done. So stay tuned for that. As always, like and subscribe, and I appreciate you all. Thanks.